so we started this organization called Restorative Justice for Oakland Youth here. And my heart was just really reaching out to our young people at that time and still today, just witnessing how at the age of 17, they go to more funerals of their peers than I have gone to at the age of 70, well, actually 74 now. And seeing how young children, at the age of 7 have to walk circuitous routes from home to school because there's gang activity here, or there's, there's drug activity there. Seeing how they were stereotyped and dehumanized and demonized and criminalized by the powers that be, even in schools, which is supposed to be the safest place for our children. And seeing how, in fact, in schools, 6-year-olds were being escorted out of their classrooms in handcuffs by police officers simply because they had a temper tantrum. This is what is called the school to prison pipeline, criminalizing ordinary childhood behaviors. And seeing the gauntlet of violence and terror and oppression that was their everyday lives just really got to me. So that's partly why we ended up focusing on youth and doing this work.